In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Squarespace site. This is a straightforward process, but it requires some attention to detail to ensure everything works smoothly and is stress-free. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your domain seamlessly linked to your beautiful Squarespace site. Let's start at the beginning, logging into your GoDaddy account. You'll need your account credentials handy, and once you are in, navigate to the Domains section of your account dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all the domains you currently own with GoDaddy. Identify the domain you want to connect to your Squarespace site and select it. You'll be taken to a new page dedicated to management settings for that specific domain. Next, find your way to the DNS settings. This is a crucial step since these settings will allow Squarespace to communicate with your GoDaddy domain. You should see an option labeled Manage DNS or something similar. Go ahead and click on it. It's here where the magic happens, so don't be intimidated by all the technical jargon. We'll decode it together. Now, leave your GoDaddy tab open and in a new tab, go to Squarespace and log into your Squarespace account. Once you're in, locate the Home menu, and then click on Settings. It might take a little scrolling around to find it, but under Settings, click on Domains. Squarespace is optimized for handling domains, so the interface is pretty user-friendly here. Look for the option that says Use a domain I own. Click on it, which prompts a section to enter your domain. Carefully type your GoDaddy domain name, double-checking for typos, and select the Continue button. Squarespace will take you to a page showing the DNS settings you need to configure back over at GoDaddy. This step is all about mapping Squarespace DNS settings to your GoDaddy domain. Return to the GoDaddy DNS management page. Here, you need to adjust the records and name entries. Squarespace will provide specific details for these records, and your job is to make sure these match exactly in your GoDaddy settings. Anything less perfect and there might be hiccups, so pay close attention to numbers and sequences. After you're confident that everything checks out, save your changes. Once you've done that, come back to Squarespace and press Verify to check the settings are correctly configured. The verification can take a few minutes to several hours, so don't be concerned if it doesn't connect instantly. While it can be frustrating to wait, know that it's a normal part of the process. And that's it, folks. You've successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to your Squarespace site. Remember to test your site to ensure it's working correctly and that the domain is routing traffic as expected. If you're running into issues, retrace your steps to ensure all DNS settings are correctly configured. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to showcase your site to the world.